Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to permanently delete your Udemy account. So as you can see, here I have logged in to udemy.com. To close my account, all I need to do is just click on my profile picture here. And in here, I've got a range of options about my account, my privacy, payment methods, etc. I would just select close account in here, the last option. Okay, so this says that if I close my account, I would have unsubscribed from all my courses and will lose access forever. So do remember that if you're closing your account, this is a permanent and an irreversible process. So you would have to create a new account next time. You would not be able to just go back to any courses you were enrolled in, any progress that you had. Everything would be lost. So do bear that in mind when you're closing your account. And now all I have to do is I have to click on close account. This would ask my password, which I would just enter in. And then I would select close account. So there you go. I have been logged out. And I even saw that message in here that your Udemy account is closed. So that is how you permanently delete your Udemy account.